In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account in Go High Level. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're up and running with ease. To begin, let's open up your preferred web browser. Once you have your browser window open, type Go High Level into the search bar. You'll see several options pop up, but what you want to do is select the link for gohighlevel.com. This will take you directly to their main web page where we can begin the process. Now that you're on the Go High Level homepage, go ahead and locate the Login button. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to ensure that you're looking at the agency dashboard. This is a key step, so if you're not already on that page, don't worry. Simply go to the location drop-down in the top left corner of your screen and select Switch to Agency View. Doing this will confirm that you're in the right place to create your sub-account. Next, take your attention over to the left-hand menu. One of the options you'll find there is labeled Sub-Accounts. Click on it, and then you'll notice a Create Sub-Account button appear. Give that a click, and you're on your way to setting up a new sub-account. As you proceed, you'll be presented with options to choose a base template. You'll have a few different paths to take here. You can choose from pre-built snapshots, vertical snapshots, or a blank snapshot, depending on what fits your needs best. Consider what will best serve your client or project as you make your selection. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to input some business details. This will include the client's business name, address, and location. You'll also need to enter your name, email, and the client's email address. Don't forget to set the correct time zone for your client. Ensuring that all of this information is accurate is crucial, as it will help everything run smoothly. After carefully entering all the necessary details and double-checking for any errors, especially in the email addresses and time zone, you can go ahead and click Save. This action will lock in your inputs and formally create the sub-account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sub-account in Go High Level. Be sure to explore the settings and features available within the sub-account to tailor it to your client's specific needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help out.